Beetroot means cucumber. Bitter gourd means karela. Carrot means gajar. Bitter gourd means karela. Carrot means gajar. Bitter gourd means lauki. Brinjal means bagan. Broccoli. Cabbage means patta gobi. Capsicum means simla mirch. Cauliflower means phool gobi. Chili means lal mirch. Cluster bean means guar fali. Coriander leaf means dhania patti. Corn means makka. Cucumber means kheera. Curry leaf means meetha neem. Fenugreek means methi. French beans means same. Garlic means lahsun. Ginger means adrak. Pea means matar. Lady finger means bhindi. Lima beans means same fali. Mint means pudina. Mushroom. Onion means pyaj. Parval. Potato means aloo. Radish means mooli. Spinach means palak. Pumpkin means kaddu. Sweet potato means sakar katar. Tinda. Turnip means salsa.